Okay, so after yesterday's disappointment with the throttle quadrant, I decided to buy the throttle quadrant on its own from Amazon, and we're just going to see if there's a big problem with these throttles or not. And we may even tear one of them down. Yeah, so if you saw the video yesterday, you'll have seen that the throttle levers could be put in a position and then they would move back slightly, which is of course absolutely useless. I did notice this time, going back to Amazon, that on the listing it does say on the Boeing pack, the yoke and throttle, that it is a regularly sent back item, so regular returns on this particular item, so which suggests that there are some problems with part of it, whether it's just the quadrant. Well, I guess we're going to find out in a minute. So if you remember from the video yesterday, I was concerned that that was not new because it only had one wire round there, and as you can see there's only one tie around this. So flap, throttle quadrants, again the bag isn't sealed up, so that would suggest, I suppose, possibly that that's how they come. Well, they're all lined up at the moment. Hopefully I can show that to you. Now let's see what happens when we move one. So this one was okay yesterday. That was for the speed brake, wasn't it? Was it speed brake? Let's have a look. I can't even remember. Yeah, speed brake. So let's have a look. Yeah, completely different. They go to the position and stay in position, which is exactly what we wanted. Yeah, so that is all good this time. But clearly there are some quality control issues with this particular setup. Now, are these all the same? They do look the same. I didn't mention this, but there are contacts on each of these levers, and that will be for the certainly for the thrust reverse on this. Yeah, that seems much better. They actually stay where they are put this time. I wonder why we've got a separate flap lever here. Speed brake, wasn't it? The flaps are on the main unit. Yeah, so we've got a anyway, look, the point here was that there is obviously a problem with some of these throttle quadrants. Just going to get the other one out just to show you again. Yeah. Okay, so these are very light and easily moved, and they stay put. These are much stiffer, and as you can see, don't stay put. Now, I don't know whether you can adjust the tension on these. Certainly doesn't look like there's any adjustment screws anywhere. Have a quick look in the instructions, but yeah, totally different. Yeah, so definitely faulty, bad QC, I guess. This one, perfect. Yeah, okay, so there you go, just proof of that fact.